Bonjour. As you can see, this chapter and the previous one were mostly about the verb avoir, to have, avoir. We've learned avoir in the interrogative form, how to ask questions with avoir. We've learned some very common French idioms using avoir, avoir froid, avoir peur, avoir besoin de, avoir sommeil, etc., etc. And today's lesson will be about avoir in the present of the indicative, avoir au présent de l'indicatif, but this time avoir in a negative form, so making negative sentences using avoir. We have already studied the formation of negative sentences, and we've learned that using ne pas, these two little words could transform any affirmative sentence into a negation, ne pas. And we had to have the verb here, right? So let me make it nice. So we have ne plus the verb plus pas. And this would turn the sentence into a negative sentence. Now, let's see when the verb is avoir. So, elle a faim, she's hungry, and we're using the intonation method. Elle a faim, she's hungry, is she hungry? And the answer here is non, elle n'a pas faim. No, she's not hungry. Elle n'a pas faim. Next, vous avez soif. Vous avez soif. You thirsty? Vous avez soif? Vous avez soif? Non, nous n'avons pas soif. No, we're not thirsty. Nous n'avons pas soif. Number 3, tu as peur. Tu as peur. You afraid? You scared? Non, je n'ai pas peur. No, I'm not afraid. I'm not scared. So here we have the questions using the intonation method, which we have covered in our previous lesson. And in this part, we have the answers using a negative statement. Ne pas. So here it is an apostrophe instead of ne. And we've already explained why. It's because avoir starts with a vowel. And because we have a vowel, we need to remove the e and place an apostrophe. So n'avoir, n'a pas, n'avons pas, n'est pas. And in this way, it flows better, phonetically at least. It flows better. So, non, elle n'a pas faim. Non, nous n'avons pas soif. Non, je n'ai pas peur. I'm not afraid. So this is how you will use avoir to form the negation. So a little more about it. So to form the negation of avoir plus expressions, simply add ne or an apostrophe plus verb. Here comes the verb and pas on each side of the verb. So you will wrap the verb with ne and pas. The verb will be sandwiched in between ne and pas. So for example, j'ai faim, I'm hungry. Je n'ai pas faim, I'm not hungry. Tu as sommeil, you're sleepy. Tu n'as pas sommeil, you are not sleepy. How about tu as raison? Let me choose another color. Here, when I say tu as raison, what will be the negation of that one? If you say tu n'as pas raison, that's correct. Tu n'as pas raison. You are not right. If I said elles ont de la chance, elles ont avoir de la chance, to be lucky. Elles ont de la chance. They are lucky. They, female. Elles ont de la chance. How about turning this into a negative sentence? Well, if you add non pas, that would be correct. An apostrophe, on, and then pas. Elles n'ont pas de chance. So, elles n'ont pas de chance. In that case, you will get rid of the la here. And I have a lesson on the negation, which you can look up in our catalog. We have a way to learn how to negate sentences. Donc, elles n'ont pas de chance. They have no luck. They are not lucky. So that's pretty much it when it comes to la négation avec avoir, the negation with the verb avoir in the present. Now we will have a few more examples. Tu as peur. Tu as peur. Tu n'as pas peur. J'ai sommeil. Je n'ai pas sommeil. Nous avons raison. Nous n'avons pas raison. Vous avez faim? Vous n'avez pas faim. Ils ont besoin de toi. Ils ont besoin de toi. Ils n'ont pas besoin de toi. Ils n'ont pas besoin de toi. So we have affirmative sentences to the left, affirmative, and negative ones to the right. Okay? As always, to conclude, we will have a short quiz. J'ai peur des chiens. I'm scared of dogs. How would you make it negative? Je n'ai pas peur des chiens. Je n'ai pas peur des chiens. I'm not scared of dogs. Je n'ai pas peur des chiens. Nous avons besoin de ces outils. Nous avons besoin de ces outils. We need these tools. How would you say that we do not need these tools? Write it down here. Les filles ont raison. The girls are right. How would you say that the girls are not right? Write it down here. Il a froid ce soir. Il a froid ce soir. He's cold tonight. Write down, he's not cold tonight. On a envie de glace maintenant. We feel like having ice cream. We want some ice cream now. How would you write, we do not want some ice cream now? So go ahead and use the negation ne pas with avoir. And as always, I will look forward to reading your answers or your recordings in the French Lab. Merci et à très bientôt. Au revoir. Bye bye.